so much anticipation around this later today. What exactly are you expecting to hear later?
Yeah, so today is really the so-called last chance for Evergrande to avoid that liquidation. We're expecting Linda Chen and also Evergrande's creditor to lay out any sort of progress that it's been made in the last month. So the last time Evergrande had the hearing was in December, and then it was a surprise turn of event because one of the key creditors pressing the wind-up order decided not to go ahead with winding up. But at the same time, we're hearing from other creditor groups that they may replace that original creditor Topshine. So chances are still high that they're going to press their case.
So how likely is it that Evergrande faces liquidation? And what's that going to mean for the broader property sector in China?
Yeah, so liquidation risk is very, very high at this moment. We haven't heard any concrete progress from creditors and Evergrande in the past months, and we understand that this will be the key factor deciding Judge Linda Chan's decision. So if Evergrande's ever liquidated, I think the first impact would be on sentiment. You will see property stocks continue to go on their downward spiral, and on the other hand, for other property companies, they may see other creditors pressing on their claims because they see that actually, creditors can get that liquidation realized in the Hong Kong court. So it could mean more liquidation coming up for China's property companies.
It's not just the hearing that takes place at 9:30 a.m. local time, so just 1 hour from now. There's also the second hearing that's scheduled for today, the so-called regulating order that comes around 2:30 p.m. So what exactly is happening in that time of the day?
Yeah, that's right. That hearing will be contingent upon what kind of decision comes out of the 9:30 hearing. So if Evergrande gets a liquidation order, then the 2:30 hearing, we're expecting to hear Linda Chen appointing a liquidator in that hearing.